Oh, nice. Oh my gosh. Wow. Beautiful. There we go. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Wow, the shower. That's so nice. Do we have a, oh, I cannot wait to see. Wow. I see what you mean now. Let me check into the other place. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That's what we've been wanting. I love these type of fans too. This just like says tropical to me when it's like that. I don't even know what you call that, like that wicker. Oh, they give us little place settings to enjoy our stuff. Oh wow, we have one of those tubs out on the... Oh my goodness. Wow. We have a tub out on the patio. Look at this. We can see the ocean. Okay, so we are going to dinner now at the buffet. First dinner.
First dinner.
First dinner,
Yeah,
of
second
course.
dinner is at the steakhouse.
At the steakhouse tonight, but we were all feeling more like buffet food, so I think we'll eat our bigger meal here and then just maybe go hang
Probably
out.
so.
Yeah.
Maybe just do dessert at the steakhouse.
I think so. Yeah.
Buffets typically don't have the best desserts, but the restaurants do. And there's
the blue.
we have a little blue sighting.
We do.
Wow, that's so exciting.
As you can see, we've had so many laughs on this trip.
Yes.
So many laughs. Look at this. This is pretty, ladies.
This is the buffet.
Ooh. Yeah, it feels like more like a sit down. This is gorgeous. I love these roofs.
I'm touring.
Yes. And it would not be as hot.
It would not be as pretty.
They make better pictures. They do.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this.
Wow.
This is lovely.
I just want to view. I recognize this. I got video from Sunday.
Yes, we were walking here earlier. This is so cute.
By far.
Okay, we have deemed that this is the best buffet we've experienced so far. Hands down, I'm gonna have to take the camera back in and give a little tour around, but they just had everything. So many options, We had these made-to-order tacos here. They have these chips, are delicious with the fresh queso. Got some pasta. They had a pasta station. Look at our plates. This is so delicious. All right, so I came back in the buffet because I wanted to show everybody. Look at this spread. So here we have bread over here, a whole selection of cheeses and some charcuterie items, some cold salads. Oh, look at that presentation. I love that. Got sushi. So cute. It's more of the charcuterie section. Look at these little cocktail things. Got the salad bar. Hi. We got the desserts here. Oh my goodness, everything looks so good. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Ladies, you're getting the dessert. This is where I'm coming next.
Yes.
Yes.
I got my dessert from the kids area.
Did you? Oh, it's so
Go
cute.
look at the kids' dessert.
No, I'm heading there right now. Let me see. Oh my gosh, how cute.
Part with candy in it.
Okay, let's look at this. Look at the ice cream. So cute. They have all these cones with the sprinkles. Oh, that's adorable. And this is the Explorers Club, so this is kind of like kid-geared food, but of course anyone can enjoy it. This is where we had our tacos made at. Hi. And those chips were really good. Hello. Tex-Mex station. Everything was such good quality. We really like this buffet. This is the pasta station. Okay, now it's time for me to get my dessert. Okay, so we're sitting in these cute little chairs.
I gotta see this.
There's exactly 4, and this is perfect because this is in the preferred section, and we are preferred members here on this trip, the room category that we are in. And so there's little like sections throughout the resort that are for preferred members. So how perfect is this?
Yeah.
Look at this. We just got back in the room. I had to show you this. You can get YouTube. This is a smart TV. That's awesome. Good morning. Okay, we are here. We just arrived at the Chic Resort. We're gonna have a tour here. We have 2 properties that we're touring this morning, and then we are doing a reef adventure, which everyone is super excited about. Oh, I love this. Gorgeous.
Did anybody get a picture of me now?